So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Optus NBN Modem Gen 2 setup login and internet not working fix. So how to connect Optus NBN Modem Gen 2? The Optus NBN Modem Gen 2 is the modem or router Optus provide for NBN internet connection in Australia. Below is a simple step-by-step guide to connect it, log into settings and fix common internet issues. Step 1 is connect power. First, connect the power adapter to the modem and plug the other end into a power outlet. Next, press the power button on the modem to turn it on. Then connect the modem to the NBN wall socket using the correct cable depending on your NBN connection type. If you have FTTN or FTTB connection, the DSL cable from the modem's DSL port to the telephone wall outlet. If you have FTTP or HFC, connect an Ethernet cable from the NBN connection box to the WAN port on the modem. After connecting the cables, wait for the modem light to stabilize, which usually take about 3 to 5 minutes. Finally, connect your computer or LAN device to the modem using Wi-Fi or a LAN cable. Log into the modem settings. First, open a web browser such as Chrome, Edge or Safari on your connected device. In the address bar, type this address or this and press enter. When the login page appears, enter the modem administrator credentials. In most cases, the default username is admin and the password is also admin unless it has been changed. So if the login does not work, check the label on the bottom of the modem for the correct login detail. After entering the credentials, click the login button to access the modem settings. Fix third is change the Wi-Fi name and password. After logging into modem dashboard, go to the wireless setting or Wi-Fi settings section. Locate the field for the SSID, which is the name of your Wi-Fi network. Enter a new Wi-Fi name that you want your device to see when searching for networks. Then find the Wi-Fi password or security key field. Type a strong password that contains letters, number and special character. Click save or apply to store the new settings. After saving the changes, reconnect your device using the new Wi-Fi name and password. Fourth fix is internet not working on the modem. Restart the modem. First, turn off the modem by pressing the power button or unplugging the power cable. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on. After turning it on, wait a few minutes for the modem to reconnect to the network. Check the cable connection. Make sure the DSL or WAN cable is securely connected to the current port on the modem. Check that the cable from the modem is firmly plugged into the wall socket or NBN connection box. Also verify that the power adapter is properly connected and the modem is switched on. Check the indicator light. Look at the front panel light on the modem. Ensure that the power light is solid, which means the modem is powered on. Confirm that the DSL or WAN light is on, which indicates the modem is connected to the NBN line. Check that the internet light is active, which shows that the internet connection is working. So reset the modem. If the internet still does not work, locate the small reset button on the back of the modem. Use a pin or paper clip to press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Release the button and wait for the modem to reset automatically. Once the modem finishes rebooting, set up the internet connection again if required. Thank you.